adventure. Come meet my friend.
Cora has a sweet little baby doll over here, and she's getting hungry. Cora, feed your baby. Go give your baby milk. Go give your baby some milk. Clarence is taking care of her. Go feed her. Go feed your baby. Right there. Go feed your baby. Give her some milk. It's time. Give her milk.
Here, baby.
Feed your baby.
Give your baby some milk. No.
No. Okay. No, not right now. Okay. All right. Who's that? Oh, Kisses. Is that Nemo? Is that Nemo?
This guy's red.
Well, she called him Nemo earlier.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this poor little baby's over here waiting for her mommy to come feed her. Look at that baby. Look at that baby just waiting for its mama.
It's red and yellow, and Nemo's orange.
Go feed your baby. Go feed your baby. Yes.
His fish.
Oh, what a good mommy you are. Such a good mommy. Thank you. Give your baby a kiss. Oh, do you have a kiss for Mimi? Do you have a kiss for Mimi?
What's on the video?
Do you want to give a kiss to your beautiful mama?
It's an
Huh?
iconic of what a sea turtle goes through.
And your daddy and Happy. And looky, there's Cora. Oh my goodness. The wonder of it all. The wonder of it all.